In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the DNS settings on a Windows 11 PC. To get started, open the Start menu and click Settings. In the Settings window, select Network and Internet from the left-hand menu. Next, choose the network connection you're currently using. If you're connected through Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi. If you're using a wired connection, select Ethernet instead. Once you're on the connection page, click Hardware Properties to view and manage your network adapter settings. Scroll down until you find DNS Server Assignment, then click Edit. In the DNS Settings window, change the option from Automatic DHCP to Manual. Enable IPv4, then enter your preferred DNS server address. For Google's public DNS, type Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. In the Alternate DNS field, enter Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After entering both addresses, click Save to apply the changes. Windows will now use the new DNS servers for your internet connection. That's all there is to it. Changing your DNS settings can help improve browsing performance, increase reliability, and resolve certain network issues on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more Windows tips and troubleshooting.